Have a good night, guys. This place is freaking beautiful. Thinking about getting some breakfast and starting a fire. I'm a little bit chilly. It's 64 and breezy right now. The sun just came over the mountains. That's pretty crazy. Here, look. It's just making everything really pretty. Let's go get a fire started. Why go camping if you can't start a fire?